everyone. Today I have an incredible story that will not only inspire you, but also improve your English listening skills. The story of one of the most admired women in the world, Princess Diana. Her life wasn't just a fairy tale. Was filled with challenge, triumphs, and beauty that went beyond her outward appearance. Princess Diana was a true icon, someone who captured the ears of millions around the world. By the end of this story, I promise you'll admire her as much as I do. Are you ready to listen to an amazing journey of love, courage, and kindness? Let's begin. On July 1, 1961, a baby here was born who would change the world. Her name was Diana Frances Spencer, and she was born into an aristocratic family in Norfolk, England. From the moment she arrived, her life was destined for something special. Diana's family was part of the British nobility, and she was the fourth of five children. But even as young child, Diana stood out. There was something about her, like in her eyes, that made her look like an angel. Anna was no ordinary child. She had a smile that could warm even the coldest of earths. Her eyes, a sparkling blue, seemed to tell stories without words. Her voice, I was soft, gently yet full of strength. People couldn't help but be drawn to get kindness. She wasn't just beautiful on the outside, she was a beautiful soul, full of compassion and love. Her parents, Edward Spencer and Frances Roach, were aristocrats, but their marriage was far from perfect. Sadly, when Diana was just 7 years old, her parents' marriage fell apart and they divorced. This was a difficult time for Diana, but it also taught her the power of resilience. Even at young age, Diana learned how to keep going despite the sadness in her life. Growing up, Diana was often shy and quiet, but there was a magnetic energy about her that people couldn't ignore. She was very close to her family, especially her brother and sisters. Despite the challenge she faced, she always remained positive. Diana had a deep love for children and animals. She would often spend hours volunteering and helping those in need. Showing her compassionate side even as a teenager. She loved to help others, whether it was teaching kids or working with the elderly. She was determined to make a difference, and she did. Diana was someone who waited for opportunities. She created them. Her passion for helping others would eventually become a central part of her life. One of the many reasons people adore her.